Have you ever struggled to find the right words? Do you wish you could take your writing to the next level, but you're not sure how? Well, prepare to be amazed because a revolutionary AI-powered text editor is about to transform the way you write. Introducing Txt Muse. Txt Muse, the game-changing tool that will help you write not just 10 times faster, but 10 times better. Whether you're a professional writer, a student, or anyone looking to enhance their writing skills, Txt Muse is your secret weapon for refined and captivating text. Let's dive right in and see how Txt Muse can take your writing to new heights. Enter the title of your document, and then select the text you want to enhance. Now, here comes the magic. Click on Clarify in the AI toolbar. In an instant, the AI assistant analyzes your text and provides clear, concise answers to all your doubts. But we're just scratching the surface. Moving on, select your text again and click on Thesaurus. Brace yourself for an explosion of creativity. Txt Muse unlocks a whole world of synonyms and alternate expressions, allowing you to enrich your writing with depth and nuance. Say goodbye to repetitive language and hello to captivating prose. And that's not all. Then select your text and let the AI toolbar be your guide. Explore features like reword to find better phrasing, expand to add more depth to your ideas, simplify to streamline complex sentences, energize to inject excitement into your text, details to refine your descriptions, tighten to eliminate unnecessary words, cliché to avoid overused phrases, and rearrange to fine-tune the structure of your writing. With Txt Muse, your writing will shine like never before. It's the ultimate tool for unleashing your creativity and elevating your words to their full potential. Refine, enhance, and elevate your writing with the help of AI. Let Txt Muse be your muse on your journey to becoming a wordsmith extraordinaire.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.